In this episode, Yokohama gives Project Golf R a ton of extra grip with a set of their sticky Neova AD08Rs.
Hi, I'm Paul, Business Development Executive for Yokohama Tyre Australia, and I'm here with the Euromechanica Project Golf R.
So, what the guys are doing is converting a typical street car into a car that's suitable for track days, as well as being able to compete in events like Challenge Bathurst Liquid Moly Regularity.
So we fitted up a set of Yokohama Advan Neova AD08Rs to this vehicle. These tyres are derived from our motorsport tyres in terms of compounding and structure, yet they are still street legal.
The AD08R offers great track performance while still offering superb Monday to Friday drivability.
Being a track-orientated street tyre, you will notice that it does wear a little bit more on the road than your conventional street tyre. However, in a track use environment, compared to the street tyre, it is going to outperform it and outlast it by a considerable margin. Unlike a lot of other semi-slick tyres, the AD08R has outstanding performance in wet weather. So all this comes together to make the Advan Neova AD08R the perfect choice for daily driving as well as casual track use. To give you an indication of performance of this tyre, last year at the 2017 World Time Attack Challenge, this tyre was the Club Sprint category control tyre. It managed to run a 1 minute 36, which is pretty phenomenal considering that a V8 supercar running full slicks runs 1 minute 28. Big thing with any car driven on the track is tyre pressures. For standard road use, which this tyre is more than capable of, we recommend running the vehicle placard pressure, which for the Golf R is 39 psi. For track use, Yokohama's guideline for this tyre is generally about 30 to 32 psi hot. Also, compared to other semi-slick tyres out there, road noise for this tyre is actually quite good. So heat is the enemy of all tyres. The more heat cycles that a tyre goes through, the more rapidly it will start to deteriorate. So while you get many track days out of these tyres, towards their end of their life, you may experience a decrease in the amount of maximum grip available, especially in the wet. For fitment and sizing advice, please contact your local tyre dealer or our Yokohama call centre, the Hub.
And of course, your local Euromechanica performance specialist will also be able to help point you in the right direction.
Be sure to check out our other videos on the Euromechanica Project Golf R.